This video from Casio Help, we're going to tell you how to clear a major lockup on the SE-C3500 machine. So you're in the reg mode, trying to process transactions, and you get the sign in error message. When you clear the error message and try and sign in, the machine doesn't let you. It doesn't give you a specific error message, but it just keeps beeping. In this scenario, it's basically some corruption of the programming has affected the Clark sign-in button, so it's no longer working, so you cannot sign in. And of course the only way you can fix it is to turn the key to the PGM mode to reprogram the button, but every time you try and do that you get in the sign-in error message. So you can solve the problem. There's two steps to it. The first thing we need to do is to perform an initial clear to clear the lockup on the machine, and the second thing is to then reset the button back to factory default. So to do this, clear any error message, turn the PGM key around to the off position, press and hold down the receipt feed key, turn the key to PGM and release the feed button. When the display reads lots of Fs, you can simply press subtotal and the flag clear will perform. This should leave you in the program position but without the ability or without the requirement to log in. So you can now perform the second part of the procedure, which is to reset the Clark sign-in button. So arrow down to system setting, press cache amount 10, then press free, subtotal, followed by 0, then the CLK hash button, followed by subtotal. Now when you turn the key back to the reg mode, you'll be able to sign in and process a transaction as normal. Hopefully this video has been helpful. You can check out our other videos appearing on screen, because of course you might have a similar problem but not one caused by the Clark button being misprogrammed. So you're welcome to watch our other videos. You can also subscribe to this channel for more. We're always posting new videos on the latest Casio registers and also some of the older models. And you can also visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.